Hi y'all, Karma here. How's your day going? I'm close to the end of my videoing. I've done about 6 boxes and I have 2 more left to do before my husband gets home from work and we head off to an orchestra concert from my stepson. He's super good at the cello and I'm really looking forward to enjoying a night out because I haven't been out very much and we haven't been able to go to a concert for him for over a year. So it'll be really nice to actually see him play in person again. So today we're going to be opening one of my favorite new boxes, Inked Goddess. I know I always say that, but I do love all the boxes that I get, so it makes it kind of hard to choose just one favorite. Inked Goddess is a monthly subscription box that revolves around different rituals and is $32 a month if you order it monthly. And it does include a DIY kit that has some type of a focus spell, affirmation, or altar setup, a handmade candle, 3 or more additional products, the exclusive Eclectic Witch Deck expansion packs, and that's one of my favorite things about this box, and then the information cards. All the other subscription information will be in the video description below for you, as well as the link if you'd like to subscribe. So let's review what we got in last month's box really quickly. Last month's box, we got the Pagan Magic Incense, and I have not burned that, so I can't give you an update on that. The Soul of a Witch Votive candle, and I will admit that I am keeping all of the ritual items from this box to take up with me when I move to Colorado in 4 weeks so that I can do some of these rituals videotaped for you and share them with you. So I have not used the Soul of a Witch Votive candle, the mini altar besom broom, which was absolutely adorable, the Witch Be Gone ritual perfume oil for cleansing and protecting, and I have utilized that a little bit even though I'm saving it for the ritual. The Witch Spell bottle kit in a treasure box, that was so adorable, and I cannot wait to use those 3 bottles to do 3 different bottle spells for you. The Witchy shoot bag, which was super cute, just that little tote bag. And this month's theme was Planetary Magic. We got a card that said that. We got the aluminum incense burner, which was absolutely beautiful. And then the Art of the Witch Bottle Eclectic Witch Deck expansion kit. And that had all different cards on different bottle spells that you could do. And so I'm super excited to choose 3 of those and do those bottle spells and put those in videos so that you can see and get ideas for how you could utilize bottle spells in your rituals for the month to enhance the magicalness of your month. Let's get right into this month's box and see what we have. Now, like I said, the theme was Planetary Magic. Is that what it said? Planetary Magic, and I'm super excited for this theme because, you know, I love the planets. So let's open it up and see what's in the box. Now, as we open up this box, you've got all of your brochures and your items on the front. Looks like we have some type of a little booklet. Then we have some paper, and then the rest of our items are down in the box, down there. So, first off, let's look. It says Planetary Magic, May 2021. To tap into the energy of the planets is to tap into the infinite pool of magic that surrounds the Earth. Each planet's influence on us can be incorporated into your magic with ease. This month's box contains items to help you understand the energy of the solar system so you can practice planetary magic. And then on the back, it gives all the items that are in the box, which I will read as we go through. So first, I see a Planetary Magic sticker set. Oh, how cute. And they are really pretty. It looks like we have all the planets in our solar system. So cute. And they're colorful and glossy, you know, a good heavy vinyl-y kind of a sticker. Planetary Magic sticker set. a sheet for your Book of Shadows, bullet journal, and more to help design Planetary Magick pages. These are really nice. So as you're in your Book of Shadows or your grimoire, whichever you want to call it, or just your journal of magic practice, you can utilize these as you're writing down the rituals and what you did, and it will just really add some colorfulness to your book. And then at the end, you can write your experiences so that if you want to go back and repeat that spell again, you can change things to make it even more powerful, keep the things that were meaningful to you, that kind of thing. Then we have a Planetary Magick guide and workbook created by Morgan Moss. It's on a spiral bound. Oh, pretty, it's all in color. Inked Goddess Creations, Planetary Magick. To tap into the energy of the planets is to tap into the infinite pool of magic that surrounds the earth. Kind of like it said on the thing. Then it's got a page on each. It's got the sun, the moon, energies, herbs, gemstones, deities, ways to work with it, and then journal prompts. And then Mercury, working with the planet Mercury. Mercury retrograde, working with Mercury retrograde. Venus, working with Venus, and then Venus retrograde. So it's got all of the planets and all different information in there for you to know how to work with that planet. That is a wealth of information. I love these little books that I get. Tamed Wild does a lot of them, and they're just such quick information that you can learn little facts, and then all that information starts to disseminate and get into you and finally stick into my brain. Because when I read books, they're really nice, but sometimes it just takes me looking at the information over and over and over again for it finally to stick in this old noggin of mine. Planetary Magick Guide and Workbook, a useful booklet to help you learn about planetary correspondences and retrogrades. This workbook was designed by Morgan, owner of Inked Goddess Creations. Some of these owners are just amazing. The artwork that they do for boxes or coming up with really helpful informational tools like that. So great job, Morgan. Okay, I'm going to pull this out just because I see it. And it basically gives us our next month's theme, which is going to be fire. And you guys know that I love doing fire rituals and fire spells. I love using candles. I wish there was more places that I could actually go out and build fires and do like bonfires and stuff. But in Arizona, where the fire risk is so high, we just don't have many places where we can do it. And then in Colorado, there's a lot of no burn stipulations where we're living there too, because of we're living like right in the forest. Super excited to show you the new place and to show you the magic of the forest and the beauty of Colorado. Then we have Out of My Way Retrograde. Looks like a spray. Inner Strength, Balance, Clarity, and Harmony. Distilled water, essential oils. And it says spruce, neroli, and cardamom. It's really nice. Can smell that neroli and stuff. Oh, really nice. I'm going to enjoy that. It's really kind of a clearing spray. Feels really clearing. It does say clarity, balance, clarity, but I could use this a lot just for grounding and cleansing spray. That's really nice. Out of My Way Retrograde Mist, a sample of our new mist to help you through any planet's retrograde. This blend of copaiba, neroli, spruce, and cardamom can help release stress, give you a positive outlook, and help you access your inner strength and resiliency. Oh, that's gorgeous. That is really gorgeous. And it's kind of nice to have something to use with retrograde, because I sometimes don't really know what to do when things are in retrograde. I mean, I can read about it and use the things that they're telling me, but it's kind of nice to have a spray to go along with that, because you know, how important those rituals are to me with sprays and incense and baths and things that really help make me mindful of my practice. All right, then we have a little bag here. Oh, I've gotten one of these before. Not in this box, but I have gotten one, and I actually gave it to my daughter, and she absolutely loves it. And I'm actually excited to have another one that I will keep for myself. But this is the little planet bracelet, and it has stones that represent all the planets in their order. This one's not bad for me, but I have a fairly small wrist, so if you have a very big wrist, it might be a little bit tight for you. But that is gorgeous. I love this. I'm glad to have another one, actually. Solar System Gemstone Bracelet. Each planet plus the moon is represented on this cute bracelet to help you tap into the energy of the solar system. Yeah, I'm really glad to have another one because my daughter actually really loved this one, and so she usually ends up getting the things she really loves. All right. 3 more things. They're little votive. They never look like much, but they are so amazing. They do make them themselves. Oh, that smells so good. Oh my gosh. Meteor Magic Votive Candle, a blend of bergamot and vanilla bean with a hint of fire. This candle can help you connect with the energy of the cosmos. Like I said, they don't look like much, but they are absolutely amazing and burn beautifully, and just the aroma fills the room and really makes whatever you're doing, even just if you're sitting at your desk working, fills the atmosphere with this magical aroma that helps to lift your mood. And we have something in a little box. Can get it to focus very good. Well, it's not going to focus very well. It kind of looks, it's really pretty, but it's got like little, it almost reminds me of like a volcanic rock or something. Tektite in display case. Tektite is a natural glass formed when a meteorite hits the Earth's surface. It can help with otherworldly communication as well as opening you to messages from your higher self or spirit guides. I'm excited to have this. So moldavite is actually a form of a tektite, although it's only found in a specific area. So this would be almost like a moldavite, but not moldavite because it's not from the area where moldavites come from. Oh, I'm excited to work with that. I love having, and I will tell you this moldavite, it tells you when you start working with tektites, moldavites, that synchronicities start happening really fast. And I will tell you that since I put on this necklace, we've been working for 10 years for this move and everything to happen. And soon as I put on this necklace, man, boom, we looked for the house. We found the house we wanted. We should be moving in the house. We get the keys May 31st. And I am super excited to have that space to film in and to do rituals and ceremonies for you for the channel. Last but never ever the least, this is my favorite part, and so I chose to keep it last. This is the expansion deck for the Eclectic Witch, and as I've mentioned over and over again, I love the feel of these cards. I don't know how to explain it to you, but they've got kind of a silicone-y, plasticky, it's not like a shiny plastic. It's more like I said, like a silicone feel to them, and they're absolutely gorgeous. So this month's expansion pack, adding this, it adds so much to this box. They're little snippets of things to learn, and as you're growing your magic practice, I think this is one of the most valuable things in this box. So the first card says Planetary Magick. Planetary magic is the act of incorporating the planets and their energies into your own magical practice. Planetary magic can be worked into any spell or ritual you are doing to boost its power, or you can work with the planets individually to tap into their own energies. Planetary magic also involves working with a planet while it is in retrograde motion. When a planet is retrograde, it appears to be moving backward in its orbit from the perspective of Earth. Its motion is an optical illusion, but the energy associated with planetary retrogrades is powerful and can only be often be chaotic, leading to blockages and more. So there's the planetary magic. Then we have one that says chakras and the planets and has all the different chakras and then the planets that go along with them. Planetary color magic, so now you've got each of the planets and what colors are associated with them. Planetary crystal magic, same thing, so now we've got all the planets and the crystals that then are associated with them. See? Isn't this amazing information? Planetary herbal magic, so now we've got all the planets and the herbs that are associated with them. Planets and tarot, major arcana, and it tells you which of the major arcana go with the planets in your tarot decks. Meteor magic. As meteors are what we know as top falling stars, meteor magic can be performed to help make your most amazing wishes come true. Channel your inner child. The best time to practice meteor magic is during a meteor shower. It's best to have an idea of what you want to focus your energy toward before the meteor shower. Sit outside comfortably and gaze at the stars. As soon as you see a meteor, close your eyes and focus your energy on your wish, intention, or goal. One per meteor, so start with the most important. Visualize the meteor adding power and energy to your intention, carrying it off for the universe to fulfill. Open your eyes, gaze upward, and do the same thing with the next meteor you see. You can also choose to begin with no pre-planned intentions, and as soon as you spot a meteor, close your eyes and see what's the first thought to pop into your head is. This is more of a subconscious magic than a conscious magic. Be sure to thank the meteor shower when you are done. And then the last card tells us about our Tektite. And I'm not going to read that for you, but because we already read some of the description before, but that gives you a whole lot of information on the Tektite. And that's what I love, is that everything, the cards that are in here really focus on the things that you got in the box to help you not just to have a ritual or not just to have items in the box to do, but to actually really help you to learn and to integrate the meanings so that when you're using that black kyanite, you know what it stands for. And it will have a lot more meaning in your spell or in your work if you can really look at and remember the reasons you're using the stone. The stone may have tons of things that it can incorporate or be useful for, but you may be choosing to use it for 1, 2, or 3 of the items that it will help you to focus on. So keeping those 3 items clearly in your brain as you're working with the stone is going to really help enhance and focus that magical intention. So in the box this month, we received the Planetary Magic Guide and Workbook. Absolutely gorgeous. The Out of My Way Retrograde Mist, which I was so excited to have something to work in retrograde. Planetary Magic Sticker Sheet. The Solar System Gemstone Bracelet. The Tektite in a display case. The Meteor Magic Votive Candle. The Planetary Magic Eclectic Witch Deck Expansion Kit. What an amazing box. I give this box a 2 thumbs up. Super excited to work with all these items, although I will have to admit they're getting immediately packed away and then will be opened up once I get into the new house. So look for some of these ceremonies and spells to be done in videos sometime in June or July. I hope you enjoyed our time together. I always enjoy spending time with you. I thank you so very much for coming and hanging out with me. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Come back often to the channel where you can say, Karma's my friend. Bye, y'all.